audio tracks. So you have 6 audio tracks. This is important for later. Number 1 is everything that's going to go to the stream. Got it. Okay, audio encoder. I think most of us only have one option with your PC. So whatever option pops up should be what you're using. This is important, okay? So let's talk about playing music while streaming. You guys can get copyright issues. You can get your stream muted. You can have all kinds of things. So if you stream and you play music and you don't do anything here, your stream's going to be muted by Twitch. You might even get a strike. You might get your video taken down. You can possibly, after a couple strikes, even lose your account. Okay, that's a really big deal, especially if you're like a Call of Duty streamer or, you know, Valorant, whatever, and you make a highlight and, you know, now you're like, I want to go put that on TikTok. Well, it's going to be muted. So be cool gameplay, but it'd be no audio. That would be annoying, right? So this is important. VOD track. This is why we use Twitch as our main. If you use YouTube and you're going to end up multi-streaming, I would definitely suggest, A, don't ever put music on YouTube, but B, I would have Twitch as your main. So click it here, and that's going to be set to number 2. So this means whatever is clicked on 2 is what will be saved to your VOD track. Okay? So if it's not clicked, it's not going to be saved to the VOD. So we'll add an audio source in a little bit just so we kind of understand better what I'm saying. But basically, let's go ahead and just apply what we have here. We'll come back. You guys don't freak out. I just want to make sure we're not misunderstanding me here. So here's audio mixer. We go to the settings here. So here's your tracks. So by default, they're all clicked. I am a freak and I like to unclick everything. Okay. And start fresh. So desktop audio, if that's what you're using, we're going to get into audio in a separate video. Okay, this should be in the other video as well, but I just don't want people to get lost with what I said right there. So number 1 is everything going to your stream. Okay, that's what they're going to hear. Number 2 means I want it to be saved to the VOD, which is the video that stays after you end your stream. People can go back and watch your stream in a VOD. Okay. This is what saves, and this is when get your video banned or not. Okay. So if I want my mic to be there, so if I go back and watch my video and I start my stream and you don't want it to be like, right, because they're not gonna have your audio. So definitely want our audio to save. Let's pretend we have one that says music. We would leave it unchecked like this. So it's not gonna save to your VOD. If it's checked, it will save to your VOD. Okay. I just want to make that super clear. I know a lot of people get those things confused or they give up on it. They're like, oh, this doesn't work. You know, that YouTube video lied. So checked is yes, it's going to be on my VOD. So any kind of music, you never want it to be checked. Okay. Sorry. I know it's like, okay, we get it. I just want people to understand it. Say it as many different ways as I can there.